Hi, this is Suki. I want to introduce you the forest animal magnetic charms. First, we have 3 different colored cats stacked on top of each other and a little chick on top as accessory. The magnetic charms on top of a grass lawn base. And here's the frog, panda and 4-leaf clover. It means lucky. Capybara, sunflower, and raccoon. Little mushroom, bunny, ladybug. Or you can change to strawberry. I have so many accessories. Thank you for watching.